Good Monday morning. What a beautiful day it is here, and we've had a lot of rain over the weekend, but today it is sunny and gorgeous, and there's so much to do, and I'm doing everything myself. So today I thought about that if you need something done right, we've all heard the saying, if you need it done right, you got to do it yourself. But I'm telling you, if you want something done right in your business, and you want it done right over and over again, you shouldn't be doing it yourself. You don't need to do it yourself. In fact, you can't leverage your business if you're doing it yourself. And I know logically we understand this. So I just wanted to give you some little points about where you are in your business and what kind of things actually happen when we do it ourselves, and why we get stuck in this rut of thinking that we're the only ones that can do it. And that's what stops us from growing, when we think we're the only ones that can do it. So let's start with when our business is easy, business is never easy, but when it's just us, the easy component of not having to manage anyone else. When we start our business, it's just us, and we know how to do all the things that we need to do. When I started my business that did technical writing for medical device and software development, it was much easier for me to just do the writing than it was for me to teach someone else how to do the writing, how to set it up, how to manage the software. I would do the writing. And of course that meant that every dollar that I earned was mine to keep. I was not incorporated at the time, so it didn't even go into a business. It went right into my tax claims. And that's a really nice way of starting a business. And if you're not looking at growing a business, or if this is just where you want to stay, that's completely okay. But if you're looking at growing your business and you're saying to yourself, well, I can't grow my business because I don't have time to train someone. I can't afford to hire someone. Those things are the things that are going to stop you from growing, because you're the only one who could do what you could do, right? Wrong. I have to tell you, even if you are the best in your country, or the best in the world at what you do, if you want a large business or a larger business that leverages your time, or actually leverages someone else's time, I can guarantee that there are many other people who are competent and capable enough to create the best experience for your customer. Because no matter how good you are, if you're the best in the world, your customers can't see the difference between the quality of someone who is excellent and someone who is best in the world. You're best in the world because you can do something that no one else can do. And your customers can't see that difference. You want quality. You want the people who can create an experience for your customers that will be above and beyond what their expectations are. And you can get all kinds of people to do that for them. So number one, stop thinking you're the only one who can do it, and believe that there are other people out there. Okay, so when you're small, you do it yourself. It costs less. It takes less time, because you didn't have to train anyone. You can just jump right in and do it, and all the money is yours. So there's no chance of conflict between someone else unless it's you and your customer, but there's no chance of conflict inside your business. You just do the work, and out it goes. When you're a small business and you're growing, so you may still be the only person, you might have contractors, maybe no one yet, but your mindset is to grow, then you do it yourself, but which still costs you less. And you get to make more money if you become incorporated in particular, because you can pay yourself. But it may take more time with larger projects. So the larger projects, then you can only do so much. So you're trying to grow your business and you go, well, I can't grow anymore because I don't have any more time. You only have a limited amount of time. And that means that if you want to grow a business, you have to find a way to leverage your time. And being the only person who does the work inside your business will not allow you to do that. So you have to start thinking. So small business, still you, but with a growth mindset, is to start thinking about, where can I offload the work that will help me leverage someone else's time and make me money? There's more opportunity for you to miss the details if you are the one doing all the work, because you start dropping balls is the expression. You're juggling a whole bunch of stuff. You're losing out on time. You can't manage it. You're missing out on family time. You're missing out on weekends. You're missing out on networking opportunities. When one client finishes, you have this big space available to you, but you're not networking in between and marketing, so you don't have new stuff coming in. It becomes a real challenge if you don't have the systems in place to manage all this. And of course, if you're doing it all yourself, you don't have anyone to help you. You can think about it, but you can't actually do it. So when you do it with others, if you're a small business, you're actually doing it with others, it costs more. And this is a big thing for small business owners. It costs more. In fact, it means that you may not get a paycheck from this particular project because you had to pay to get people up to speed. So you make less money. It may actually take less time eventually, but up front, there's a learning curve. So there's a piece where you have to bring someone in and get them up to speed in the systems inside your business. How are you going to treat them? How are you going to train them? How are you going to ensure that what they do actually matches what it is that you promised you would do for your clients? So there's this piece of, oh, I can't just work on my stuff. I actually have to train someone and pay someone and manage someone. And it's overwhelming when you're used to working by yourself. And this is the place where small business falls down. This is the reason why small business, who's going from a one-person business to even a 5-person business, it's the reason why it's so difficult, because this step is hard to understand and hard to manage and hard to bring all the systems into place. Oh, thanks. I love you too. And understanding that there's possibility of more problems and more conflict when you bring someone else in. And people hate conflict. We do not want to be caught up in any kind of conflict. So it's easier to do it ourselves because then we don't ever have to argue with someone. I understand. So if we want, so the kind of third place I wanted to take you today was, what if we are like a small to medium-sized business? What if we're 25 people, we are 50 people, which is still a small business? What if we're making $1 million, which is still a small business? What if we're making $1 million and we want to take it a little bit farther? When we do it with others, you have a lot more opportunity. We have more opportunity for sales. We also have more opportunity for mistakes, more opportunity for failure, for misunderstanding, for conflict. And that feels really overwhelming too. So some people don't even want to go. I don't even want to go there. There's just way too many opportunities. The more people you have, the more problems you may have, but the more solutions you can have too. So this is your opportunity to step up and be a real leader inside your business and for the people that you're trying to service. If you understand leverage inside your business, and then you can understand leadership inside your business, and you create leaders to lead other people, because the bigger your business gets, the less training you're doing. And if you've trained the people right, you have the right people inside your business, those people start training the people. And they are creating the culture inside your business. And the culture may shift. And it's like, oh, well, this isn't the business that I started. But if you're still servicing the people the way you wanted them to be serviced, if your clients are still experiencing an extraordinary level of service or product from your company, is that not what you went into business for? And if you are actually making money off of every person that works for you, is that not what you went into business for? If you get to live the lifestyle that you want to live because your business actually pays you money in between the times that you have projects, is that not what you went into business for? So you can take bigger projects. Your company will make money. You'll receive a paycheck. If you're incorporated, your company pays you. You don't have to wait for dividends to come out of your company. You don't have to wait for your company to be profitable. You're now an employee inside your company, and you can take a paycheck. Train people, train others, and systems are key to growing your business, because a company without systems is not a company that can grow. All right, I hope this makes sense for you. And if you have any questions, please, you can either join me for breakfast. And many of you said, I don't live close enough to come for breakfast. If you want me to take a look at your business, if you want me to give you some insights, or if you want to just chat with me, send me a private message and we'll set up a call. And I would love to help you with your business and your business growth. Until then, until next Monday, or if you're joining me for breakfast this week, it is on Wednesday morning at 8:30. I look forward to seeing you Wednesday or next Monday or in between if you contact me. Have a great week, everyone. Take care.